Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. I'm going to show you how to make outdoor decor using beads. I have here some needle nose pliers, some heavy gauge wire. You can use 16, 18, maybe 20, but I wouldn't recommend a higher number than that. I have some sparkly curling ribbon, which I've tied a loop on either end, one to secure to the item, one to use to hang. I curled it. I'm using a prismatic ribbon so that it will catch the light and sparkle, but you can use whatever you prefer. I wrapped this wire in a kind of abstract way. It already came in a coil, so the top coils were kind of done for me, and then as I wanted it to go down in kind of like an abstract tornado kind of formation, I used a ring mandrel. But you can use a flashlight or whatever it is that you have handy to wrap it around. Now, I've chosen to use beads that are very faceted so that they will catch the light and sparkle very nicely. And I've begun to slide some of the beads on. You can use whatever kind you'd like. So I'm going to continue to put the beads on. You can put them in patterns if you have different kind, or randomly, whatever you prefer. Then I just have a couple of larger beads to put on the bottom to kind of finish it off. Once I have all the beads on, I'm going to go in with my needle nose pliers and bend a little spiral. This will not only add a decorative element to the piece, but it will keep the beads from sliding off. So there you have a cute little outdoor decoration. You can play with it, get it exactly the way that you want it to be. And you have a cute little decoration using beads for the outdoors. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.